I was watching the news yesterday, as I generally do, and I was watching this flagship show of Aaj Tak, the prime time black and white. This show was started by Sudhir Chaudhary, then he moved on to DD News. Now Anjana Home Kashyap hosts this show. And yesterday was a very big day regarding news, as every major news channel was covering this Turkman Gate stone pelting incident, and so did she. She covered this story as a major story. Then she moved on to this news that a couple in Haryana has welcomed their 11th child, which is a boy, the first boy in their family. The first 10 of their children are girls. The woman has given birth to 11 children in 19 years, and the family was very happy. They were distributing sweets, they all were smiling that finally we've got the boy that we have always wanted, kind of thing. And as a matter of fact, the father does not even remember the name of his girls. The reporter asked him the question, "What are the names of your children?" And he told the name of his two girl childs. Then he kind of stumbled, like, "I am not remembering the names." And there was this frustration and anger in the voice of Anjana Kashyap. Like, how could he not know the name of a girl child? How could he do this? Is it the mentality of the society? How they are so happy that they have finally got the boy? Is it truly the mentality of the society? Yes, of course it is the mentality of the society. It may not happen in the tier 1 or metropolitan cities, but in tier 2, tier 3, and definitely in the villages, it is the mentality of most of the people. I'm not saying all of the people. They want the male, they want the boy. Which is not, I'm not saying it is a good thing, but there are a couple of reasons because of this. There's a couple of reasons for this. The first reason is that there is negative perception for female child because of the dowry, I guess, because they guess we have to give dowry now in our marriage. That is why they do not want the female child. And there is this thing that it is normally said that the girl child do not belong to us. It is of someone else's property, the property of a groom, the property of the family of the groom, which is a very wrong thing. The word belong and property are very degenerate to be used for a human being, but they are normally done in our society, which is a very wrong thing. And it is generally considered that male, when we have a boy in our house, he would take care, he would take the responsibility of the parents when they are older. He would help his father as he gets old. He would help his father in his profession as he gets older. And there is also this thing that the male child will carry on the lineage, will carry on the name of the family. That is why they want the male child. And there is someone in my distant relation, you could say, he was even ready to shoot his wife when she gave birth to a girl. He was going like, "I'm gonna shoot her now. How could she give birth to a woman? How could she give birth to a girl?" And I have seen women also. Women also show disappointment and frustration when another woman gives birth to a female or girl. "Oh, she has given birth to a girl. Oh, it's girl. No, girl, she has given birth to a girl." This needs to go away. Of course, this needs to go away. If we need to grow as a society, we need to change this entire societal structure, and this would start from ourselves. We need to change our thinking first. We need to change the norms of our society. These thoughts related to dowry and this perception that women belonging, these degenerate words need to go away from our society.